What's going on, YouTube Gardener? It's your boy Sydney and
Tori
from the Naked Gardener channel. In this video, we're going to take the turmeric that we harvest from our garden and make turmeric powder. And we're going to start right now. So we got our freshly grounded organic turmeric that we got from our garden. And now we're going to show you how we're going to put it into our dish. We're going to make a dish called turmeric rice. And all we did is we took about 2 cups of jasmine rice, rinsed it up to get all the starch out. And then we did about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and chopped that all up. Then we chopped up 1 whole onion. Then we got some of the red mint salt. We did some of the salt of the red mint salt, and then we did some pepper of some red mint salt. So we're gonna go over to the stove. We're gonna heat up some butter and some oil, get it nice and hot. Then we're gonna stir up the vegetables, then add the rice, then add the broth and the turmeric. So now we got the pan nice and hot. Now we're gonna add the onions. And the garlic. All right, so we got this nice and going. We're gonna add the seasoning now. We're gonna do a tablespoon of these real salt, sea salt.
down below there's an affiliate link where you can get a discount on that. It is the best cooking salt that we have ever cooked with.
Now if you're not able to get any of this fine sea salt, you can just use regular sea salt or Celtic salt, but we recommend that salt as the best one. We're just going to do a teaspoon of the garlic pepper from red mint salt. And then we're going to do a whole tablespoon of our freshly grounded turmeric. Give this a nice little stir. And then we're going to add our 2 cups of our washed jasmine rice. Toast that up for about 2-3 minutes. Stir that in there. Get that turmeric, garlic, and onions all in there. Mix thoroughly. cups of the chicken bone broth. One last stir. Then we're gonna cover for 15 minutes and you just walk away.
Do you put it to a medium or low heat when you walk away?
You're gonna bring it up to a boil, then you put it into a simmer.
This went off.
So now all we gotta do is just fluff up the rice. All right, so we got our dinner finished. We got some turmeric rice with some Mediterranean cucumber, tomato, and parsley, onion, wet salad, and some lamb shanks. So let's dig in to see how this tastes. So we're gonna start with the Mediterranean salad. Love it. Got parsley, definitely a good flavor to it. Now for the turmeric rice. Perfect rice. Now if you have a rice cooker, you can do it in a rice cooker, but I prefer, now that I learned how to cook rice, using the pan. That turmeric is real good. Now, if you want to kick it up a notch, you can add some red pepper flakes or some cumin or paprika or something like that. Now for Mrs. Naked Gardener's leg. What is this?
Lamb shank.
Lamb shank. It's real tender. Look at that. It's just falling off the bone.
Once it hits your lips, it's so good.
It's real moist. It's like butter. And how did you cook this?
I use the Instapot.
Use the magical Instapot. You did a pressure cooker?
I sauteed it first and just browned up each side of the meat. And then I added the veggies and some sauce, sauteed that for a little bit, and then added the meat back into it and pressure cooked it for about 30 minutes and let it naturally steam.
Now taste something acidic in there. What'd you put in there?
Some red wine.
That's good with red meat. I like it. If you like these types of videos, we're going to be doing a little bit more of these types of videos this year, showing you recipes of things that we've grown from our garden. So we'll start a playlist, and we'll put in the show notes above. You make sure you give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel out. Until the next video, let's grow together.